Box him out.
Good shot.
Good shot.
41. Good job, Byron.
That was a good move. Man, that was a good move.
Sure, you got it.
Hands up, hands up.
Good. Keep swinging it.
Oh, yeah. The tag, swing. All right, come on, tight D. Pass denial.
Come on, watch your man, watch your man. Ooh, good pass.
Oh. Fight.
Good kick out. Let's get back. There you go. Wait.
Don't let. Hurry it up. Brody, get this rebound. Look down there.
You better not get boxed.
Brody, you got a baseball pass. Make it. Tiger, be ready for Brody's pass. Oh. Go get it. Go get it. Good job, Elijah.
Get the rebound.
Don't dribble it. Good job.
Gotta get the rebound.
Good job, Byron. Come help. Come help. Brody, you can still run over there and put your hands straight up. Don't let them run back. We need to lead for second half. Pass and cut. Oh my goodness, I forgot how to do it. Do not touch him.
Good finish. Good finish.
All right, we need points here. Oh, I don't know if I can upload this now.
Hands up. Hands up. There we go. That was a good move. Hustle down. Good job, look up.
Brody's got 3. Tiger's got 3? Wow. Tiger, you got 3 fouls. You got 3 fouls. Save them for the next half. Elijah was open. Help him out, Brody. Go keep it in play, Brody.
Good shot.
Good shot. All right, good job. 4 minutes. Good job.